Alright, so here's the Roto Air box fan from the last video's distant brother. This is a late 70s Westinghouse 2-speed 20-inch box fan, and it is a model AW12-1. This fan was also made by Kellair, uses the same blade set and the same 2-speed Marco motor as the last one I videoed. This fan also came from Fanimation last weekend from the same person as the Roto Air, so again, thank you for this. When this fan got here, the motor was basically seized solid. It did not run. We were able to take the grill off and kind of spin it up a little bit and get it freed up enough that it ran, sort of, but it was really stiff. So took the motor all apart, cleaned the bearings all out, serviced it, and now it runs absolutely perfect. These fans do not have any kind of provisions for a stand on them. They're just a very basic 2-speed fan. Like I said, same Marco motor, and this one does not have any information on it either. Alright, let's go ahead and fire it up. Here's low. And high. The blade in this one was definitely a lot better stamped than the Roto Air. This one's a lot better balanced and it moves quite a bit more air. Alright, that's about it for this one. Thanks for watching, guys.